Project X people. Stuart Smith, painting monster. People, I'm here at Project X, getting things done. We're gonna do a hallway today, some touch-ups on some bricks. Later on, possibly, we might get into doing some vampire latex stuff. But hey, I really appreciate you coming on board. Please like, subscribe, and hey, got stuff in the inside of the description. Check out some of the YouTube channels I have there, and also our Stuartizm.shop. And hey, follow me on TikTok, right there at the beginning. Thanks for watching, people. Let's get things going. Touching up all sorts of places. So we still have our areas here there. I put black on and they're still wet. So wait for those to dry. So we went over them with Durabond, 90 minute, and then touched them up with the black, and then we're gonna sit there and repaint them, kind of blend them on in. And then this hallway here, people, the owner did not like the fact that we were in the basement and all of a sudden it had all this, you know, wallpaper look. So we blacked it out last time I was here. Now I've just put some gray on it, and we'll wait for that to dry, and then we'll come along and brick this area out so she will blend in until we go into the next section. So let's get that going. All right, we have all these ready to go. We did some spritzing, added some more shadows with the auto gun, and now we're just waiting for it to dry so we can come along and do the highlights, and probably gonna add some onto the doors as well to kind of help them blend in. And then we went into our rock area where we had placed the black, and now we've done some gray. I noticed there's a little brown in there, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of brown to kind of help blend things in, and then onwards and upwards. We'll show you the final product when it's done. Okay, so we've added some brown, and she's looking pretty fly. There's the original bricks there. These ones that we fixed with the Durabond, and now with the gray and a little bit of brown mixed with gray. And then we're going to sit there and tidy up all the mortar areas and add a little specks, and then I think we'll be good. We'll be good for another season. So just trying to maintain, keep things good here. Oh yeah.